Hi guys, welcome to Smart Invention TV.
In today's video, we have combined the 15 most incredible and essential kitchen gadgets and smart appliances for every home that will make your cooking easier, which you can buy today on Amazon or online.
If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you not to miss any of our interesting videos. Without wasting up your time, let's get started.
Number 1. Electric spice and coffee. Number 2. Ice cream maker. Number 3. Vacuum sealer machine. Number 4. Grilling precision turner. Number 5. Smooth edge can opener. Number 6. Grips handheld mandolin slicer. Number 7. Food vacuum sealer. Number 8. FoodSaver vacuum sealing system. Number 9. Convection oven. Number 10. Electric kettle. Number 11. Egg slicer tescoma. Number 12. Oven gas range. Number 13. Suspension bar ProfiMATE. Number 14. Knife block. Number 15. Multi-blade adjustable mandoline.
You enjoy this video, don't you? We would like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share with your friends on social media. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have picked for you to enjoy next. We love you.